When we make YouTube videos, most of our content gets views for a few days and then flatlines. And if your channel is anything like mine at the moment, that'll happen again and again and again. This makes a lot of us think that a video's views and shelf life is no more than 3 or 4 days. And then straight after that initial spike, the video is going to be dead. But there's actually a certain type of video that if you make it often enough, will just give you consistent views that just won't stop. And it will grow your channel and bring in revenue literally while you sleep. Or you could see a video that 2 years after upload just blows up out of nowhere. Like this video of mine on my last channel, which I'll go into in a minute. So how does this work? And how can you create videos that do this for your channel? This type of video is what we call evergreen content. This is content that for a long period of time still remains relevant and still has consistent viewer demands. People are consistently having this problem or want to be informed about this thing. So they keep searching for your video again and again and again, meaning you get a tsunami of views that keep going almost indefinitely. The only catch with making this type of video though, is its results are very often long term. These aren't really the types of videos that go viral straight away, and they're more than likely your 10 out of 10s. But then 6 months or a year down the line, they really start to take off, bringing in consistent views. And that's when you'll really appreciate that you made that type of video. So let me give you some of my examples of this. So just over a year ago, I used to make loads of fitness content, all around how to build more muscle, lose fat, and men's mental health. And there was one thing that I was struggling with personally, back acne. So one day when I was low on video ideas, I thought, why not make a video around this and help people who are also in the same position? And I also decided to throw together a short on this too. And neither of them did well, got barely any views. So I was like, oh well, and moved on. And it was only a few weeks ago that I went back and checked my old fitness channel just to see how all the videos were doing, and boom. 1 whole year after upload, it just started chucking in loads of views. And what do you notice from this short that blew up after 500 days? Almost all of the views came from YouTube search. At some point, a year on from upload, this started ranking higher and higher. But why? I think this is 99% because of the video topic, how to fix back acne. A problem that many guys like myself struggle with, especially when going to the gym. And I'm assuming that acne and back acne became a more trending search around this time. Maybe because more people were having problems. Another example of evergreen content is this other short I posted on bicep genetics. And this one demonstrated a much more typical evergreen growth. Gradually and consistently gaining views for the best part of a year, to the point where you don't even notice it's happening. And again, mostly coming from YouTube search. Yes, these examples are on YouTube Shorts, but I think this demonstrates that if you had a few long form videos getting this kind of evergreen growth, how incredible this could be for you and your channel, and revenue in the future too. So if you have a small channel and you want some videos to work for you like this, I'd suggest making a load of how to and top 10 kind of videos, because they may not bang now and get you 1 out of 10s, but in 4 months they could be getting you 30 views an hour for years, getting you more and more subscribers. On the topic of subscribers, if one of your main goals is 1,000 and getting monetized, watch this right here. And if you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, just hit that subscribe button. Peace.